Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Skibidi effects. So the funny thing is that you can actually make yourself into a Skibidi meme by creating or using this particular effect. First thing you have to do is go to this website called Higgsfield.ai. On this website, just scroll and choose the Skibidi effect here. After you've chosen the app, after you've selected the app section, so once you've done that, the Skibidi, you would see the Skibidi meme here. So all you have to do is to select your image, upload your image in this area, select generate video, and in the next 15 to 20 minutes your video should be ready in a similar manner to this. So that's it guys. And okay, one thing to note is that it says here your request to cost 23 credits. Now do not worry, because if you whether you're using free or the planned or paid accounts, this you can actually create this particular effect or any effect in general, because once you sign up on Higgsfield AI, they give you some credits which you can use to create any effect you want to really create. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel as we're actually trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.